Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix tweets aren't loading right now on X, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite simple. First of all, check your internet connection, then try to restart the X application. If it's not help, clear app cache and data. Go to settings, apps, find X, and here you can see storage and cache. Click on it, clear storage, clear cache, and try it again. If it still not helps, you need to update X. Go to Play Store. In search bar you need to find X and make sure that it says open, and if it says update, update your X application. If it's not help, restart your device, and also you can check X status, disable VPN if you turned on VPN, log out and log in again, reinstall the X application and check for app permissions. So that's all, and also I will show you how to check the app permissions. Here where you deleted storage and cache, click on permissions, and here check the permissions on the X app. So that's all, thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.